There is a village called Xinmin that is like a hidden paradise, quietly resting on the land, radiating unique charm and drawing people's attention. Xinmin Village is a place of multiple unit habitation. These units depend on each other and together form a harmonious whole. The land of the village produces rich resources. Herbal medicine thrives here. Gifts from nature that bring great economic benefits to the villagers. Walnut trees blanket the village, producing fruitful rewards from the villagers' hard work. Gentle threads of smoke settle over the rooftops, narrating tales of labor and perseverance. Alongside, konjac greenhouses stand like tiny fortresses, safeguarding the villagers' aspirations and dreams. The cloudflower drum remains a dazzling treasure of Xinmin Village, where blossoms thrive year-round, painting a picturesque scene of nature's masterpiece. As you wander through the cloudflower drum, delicate breezes greet you, and an endless variety of flowers bursts forth in vivid competition. This feels like stepping into a dreamscape, every blossom glowing with life, each petal speaking nature's miracles, as the air carries rich fragrances that surround and delight. In this place, time appears to pause, rendering every moment serene and sublime. Creating a brighter future, Xinmin is not only rich in resources and visually stunning, but also an ideal summer retreat. It boasts picturesque mountains, lush green trees, fresh air, and a cool climate. When city temperatures soar and people feel overwhelmed by heat, Xinmin Village provides a refreshing oasis of comfort. Here, one can fully enjoy nature's gifts. Find respite from the cacophony of city life for complete relaxation. Enveloping mountains form a natural shield, protecting the villagers while fostering an inviting and harmonious environment for living. Lush green trees drape the landscape like a vibrant cloak of serenity. Enjoy the peace and the simplicity of life. Xinmin's villagers demonstrate remarkable diligence and genuine warmth as they shape their lives with steadfast hands, cherishing the earth as deeply as they cherish living. With unwavering devotion, they cultivate their fields, pouring heart and energy into the village's development, weaving Xinmin's extraordinary story through their dedication and efforts. Their glowing smiles embody life's beauty and optimism. Through the march of time, Xinmin Village transitions and thrives. Infrastructure develops, living standards uplift, and the villagers brim with vitality, channeling their wisdom and energy to make Xinmin flourish further. They firmly believe in even greater aspirations for Xinmin's future. Xinmin Village, Guanyang Town, Wushan, stands as a testament to their hope and endeavor. This is a place full of charm and vitality, shining like a bright jewel on the land of Chongqing. Let us walk into Xinmin Village, experience its allure, appreciate its essence, and together witness its growth and advance.